Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 200 EMA in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to indicators. Click on it and type here EMA. Now choose this one, moving average exponential. Click on it just one time, and this is our EMA. Now let's make it a 200 EMA. So go to EMA here. If you can't see it, click on this arrow. Go to the gear icon and click on it. And here on length, type 200. Okay, because this one is 200 EMA. Now go to style and you can change the color of it if you want. So for me, I will choose, for example, black, and I will change the thickness from here. So let's choose, for example, this one or this one, okay? After you finish, just click on OK from here. And that's it. This is our 200 EMA. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.